This is the most practical, quick, and delicious pasta I've ever made. You've got to try it. We're going to start by adding 200 grams of pasta in some boiling water. Stir that with a fork, and we're going to leave this to cook. This is going to take a few minutes. Now in another pan with some oil, let's turn on the heat. Add in 1 chopped onion, 2 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, and saute these ingredients. We want to cook that with the onion and the garlic. The taste of these noodles are so delicious. I always love making this pasta at home. If you're on the lookout for an easy recipe, this is the perfect one. You've got to try it. The taste of these noodles will probably surprise you. We're now going to add in 1 tablespoon of salt for seasoning, some oregano, red pepper flakes, as well as 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give everything a good mix. Now you can add any other spices if you prefer. Make this sauce to your preference, however you like it. After we've sauteed this for a bit, let's add 50 mils of water. We're also going to need 100 mils of milk, 200 grams of cream. The flavor of this sauce is so perfect. We're also going to need 150 grams of cheese, along with 1 tablespoon of butter. Butter is our special ingredient. Stir and let the sauce cook. You'll be surprised by the taste of this sauce. It's easy, it's quick, and the taste is divine. Now let's leave that sauce to cook for a few minutes. And once our pasta is nice and cooked, take it out of the water and we're just going to put it straight into that cheese sauce. Now when you're removing the pasta, be very careful. It's super hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Add it right into that sauce. And just like that, our recipe is ready. Let's give that one good stir. And all we have to do is turn off the heat and serve it on a plate. Call your family over to experience the taste of this recipe because it is that good. And I can tell you, my house smells incredible right now. I love making this recipe. Let's garnish with a little bit of parsley for some color. You can add coriander or spring onions too. Enjoy!